To get started, open any web browser and type in find.samsung in the search bar. From the search results, select the first option labeled Find Samsung Phone to proceed. Next, select the first option, SmartThings Find Samsung from the menu, and tap on it to continue. On the next page, tap the Sign In button to proceed. If you don't have a Samsung account, you will need to create one first. Once you are ready, enter the email address associated with your account. Then tap Next to continue. Enter your account password. Then tap Sign In to proceed. Review the features of SmartThings Find, and then tap Continue. A map will appear, displaying the location of your registered device. If you can't find your phone within your home, you can log in from another device, and tap Ring to locate it. This will make your device ring at maximum volume for 1 minute, even if it's set to mute or vibrate. If your phone is stolen, you can log in from another device, and select Lost Mode. You can also track the location of your device, erase all data, and even extend the battery life. If you tap the 3-line menu icon, you will see a list of all your registered devices. Select Settings for additional options. From here, you can customize various settings to enhance your device tracking experience. If you want to sign out, tap the menu icon. Then select Sign Out. So that's how you can use SmartThings Find to locate and manage your Samsung device.